Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, February 2nd. A bit of a positive start here, although we are mixed with the Dow back to the downside in early trading as far as futures are concerned, coming off what we saw late in the session yesterday. Pretty impressive rally post. Fed Chair Powell, another quarter point coming through from the Fed, and no let up really on the hawkishness when it comes to the comments that Fed Chair Powell had to pass along in the press conference, pointing to not one, but multiple, or the possibility of multiple further increases to come. About 80% chance of another quarter point to come in March. Here's how things are shaping up right now. S&P 500, 0.5% to the upside. There's the Dow, lagging a little bit. 1.5%, meanwhile, for the NASDAQ, with Meta leading the way off of earnings. Pretty impressive here for TSX futures, back in positive territory after being down about half a percentage point early on this morning. 2.5% down here for Ethereum, about 0.5% for Bitcoin, back to the upside as well. That's the way the market looks. Nice breakout yesterday above key levels going back to the end of last year in December. We did come back in a little bit right at the end of the session, but nice looking green bar for the SPY. There's the Qs as well, even more impressive, above that high and the December high as well now, and closed nicely above 300 on the Qs once again. All about this, Meta with a great report forecast as well, more cost-cutting measures coming through. So a nice look this morning, up 20% in the pre-market for Meta shares. A huge, huge mover so far. We'll have a look at not only the report, but how to go about trading this thing this morning. Pinterest to the upside this morning. They're coming through with 150 job cuts, more cost-cutting measures announced by Pinterest as well, along with benefiting from that move in Meta as an advertising platform themselves. This Carvana, unreal. Huge move yesterday. More positivity here in the pre-market as the short squeeze continues, about 23% on the short side for CVNA shares. Microsoft rolling out ChatGPT-powered Teams premium version. That's not going to be available until this spring, but they've rolled it right into Teams. It'll take meeting minutes for you and also assign tasks while in the meeting in real time. So pretty impressive for Microsoft Teams users. That's coming up again June and July. We'll have a look at Peloton. A huge move, obviously, yesterday. There's 11, count them, 11 positive moves from analysts on the stock this morning. Netflix back to the upside, revealing some more password sharing protection measures that are going to come into effect pretty soon. If you are currently sharing your Netflix account, you might not be for very much longer. Bed Bath & Beyond, big move to the downside. They missed interest payments after the close yesterday to the tune of about $20+ million for BBBY. Negativity this morning, and a little one moving. 10X Therapeutics, TENX. We'll talk about that coming up as well. Grab the watch list, guys, if you haven't done so already. Use the QR code, enter your email address. We do all your homework for you. Then come join us live at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.